Most runners believe navigation is just about avoiding a wrong turn. But physiologically, getting lost for just 10 minutes can burn the same limited glycogen stores as running 3 hard miles. When you realize you're off course, your heart rate spikes an average of 15 beats per minute instantly due to cortisol. You stop metabolizing fat and switch to panic-burning sugar. A navigation error isn't a time penalty. It's a metabolic catastrophe. Here is the trap. 90% of runners rely solely on the breadcrumbs line on their watch. But following a line without a topographic map is like driving with your eyes closed and only listening to GPS voice commands. You know where you are, but not what is around you. A GPX file is just a vector. It lacks context. An offline topographic map reveals verticality, water sources, and cliffs. To be safe, you must layer the route line over the terrain map. The line is the what, the map is the how. Before leaving the trailhead, execute this 60-second protocol. Download the detailed area map, not just the route. Switch to airplane mode to extend battery life by roughly 30%, and identify one specific bailout point. Finally, adopt the 30-second rule. If you feel uncertain, stop immediately. If you don't see a confidence marker in 30 seconds, turn around. Most DNFs start with, "I think the trail is just up there," and end 5 miles off-grid. Stop early. Check often. Save your energy for the running.